This is mod 1 for the camel pose into child's pose. So we're gonna come into a kneeling position, making sure the knees are stacked under the hips. Look behind you, and you want the middle of your heel bone directly behind your sits bone. So those two little bones at the bottom of your pelvis, think the middle of your butt cheek. You're gonna curl your toes under so your feet are in dorsiflexion. From here, you're gonna reach your left arm up towards the ceiling, looking towards your left thumb, and then bringing your gaze back forward. Bringing your right hand just behind your right hamstring, draw your tailbone down towards the floor so you're not compressed into your lower back, and then just find that little bit of extension into the upper part of the spine. If this feels like any compression or any pinching in your lower back, please bring your shoulders back forward. Otherwise, you're gonna stay in this little bit of a back bend, breathing in through to the chest. Eyes are forward, back of the neck is long. To come out, draw your belly button into your lower back. Support the spine. Coming into child's pose from here, bringing the knees wide apart, big toes together, reaching those forearms onto the floor, and just resting here. Little hip opener, a little release for the lower back. Eyes are down, back of the neck is long.